Hi everyone, it's National Tartar Sauce Day, and what a better condiment than to complement fish. Today we are going to make battered squid rings, homemade from scratch. It's super simple, super easy, and can all enjoy it from home. All that you need to get started is some of our raw squid rings, some plain flour, egg, breadcrumbs. I've sprinkled a little bit of smoked paprika in there, and then enough oil for them to coat and crisp up for the end product. So let's begin. They were absolutely delicious. I'm absolutely not sharing with anyone here today. I'm going to gobble them all up myself, dunk them in our homemade tartar sauce, and celebrate the event on my own. I hope you enjoyed. Please do try at home. Let me know how you get on, and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone.